into this oxtail for real. Stop playing around. Gotta use your hands. Oh, look. Oh. You see that? Oh, you see that? Oh, you see that? Oh, yeah. Tea. Comment, like, and share. And go take a bit of tea. Y'all, I love lips.
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3.
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3.
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3.
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Diversity coming at ya. What's up, my D3 tribe? And if you ain't part of the tribe, then you need to subscribe. How is everybody doing today? Good, I hope. Y'all, today I am bringing you a soul food mukbang, y'all. And I am so excited to get into this. On the menu, we've got some oxtails, some macaroni and cheese, some white rice, some greens, some mixed greens, and we got jalapeno pepper, baby. This meal, y'all, is dedicated to my boy LLIPS, LLIPS, Mr. Living Life in, I always mess it up, Living Life in Prosperous Serenity. LLIPS. If y'all don't know who he is, go ahead and check him out, y'all. Every time I go over to his channel, his meals are always busting. I mean, that boy put his back into the meals, okay? So I was making these oxtails, right? Well, I made them. If you caught my video before, I was telling you that I was making these overnight. And then if you caught my Instagram post, I show you that I was cooking them like at 12 o'clock at night. I was cooking these oxtails. And then this afternoon, when I was at baby girl's daughter's appointment, he came into my live. Hey, boo! And I told him, y'all, these oxtails that I made will even make him proud. Because I think he's like the king of Southern cooking, okay? Because he be like I say, he putting his back into it. Anyway, I'm rambling. It's another late mukbang. Y'all apologize. I've been hella busy today. Y'all saw on the live. Nalea had doctor's appointments all day. Plus, I had running around the Jew. So when your girl got home, I had to take a nap because I was that tired. And I still had more stuff to do when I got up from the nap. So I'm finally home. I fixed my plate. I'm going to go ahead and bring you this mukbang. To drink, we have some H2O as always. Stay hydrated. And then we also have some Gallo Pink Moscato. Can you see that? You can go ahead and pop his cherry. Hope you are doing well. I'm not sure if I'm going to release this tonight. I'm just going to wait until the morning. We've got my beautiful glass that my beautiful Kay sent me. Don't pour that up. Yo, I just love my glass. It just feels so fancy. Salute to all the sippers in the house. I think my wine tastes better in this glass. All right, y'all, without further ado, let's go ahead and give thanks and get to grubbing. Okay, y'all. So, where did I put my fork? Yeah, see, I also have a jalapeno on here because Mr. LLIPS, he always has a jalapeno. Like I said, this is dedicated to LLIPS because I hope I made him proud with this mukbang. Also got some Louisiana on there because you got to have hot sauce on oxtails, y'all. Got to have some hot sauce. Hot sauce it up. All right, let's go ahead. Like Cuzzle AB said, let's go ahead and get into this bite. Put some rice on there. Ooh, yeah. Go ahead and get your bite. You got it? My turn. Y'all. These good. Oh, they good. I thought that was Siren. Oh, that's baby girl. She took a nap too. But she tired. She'll be going to bed soon. Y'all. Let me show you this fall off the bone action going on. Look at that. Let me show you. Now, this is a plastic fork now, okay? Y'all. Oh, y'all see that? Baby. That's, you know it's good. Some hot sauce on the greens. I like to use that green chili, Cholula hot sauce on my greens. But I didn't put it up here. I didn't feel like getting it. And it's kind of late. I'm not going to eat all this because it's kind of late. Go ahead and get to that macaroni. Oh. You see that? Oh, you see that? Oh, you see that? Oh, yeah. Sometimes I add a little garlic to my macaroni and cheese, y'all. It takes it to another level. You should try it. It really does. You be like, what is that? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Make you like, what is that? So I hope your week is going well. Happy Tuesday evening if it's released on Tuesday. Happy hump day if it's Wednesday. It's probably going to be Wednesday. Y'all. Lips. This for you, baby. It's for you. And my girl Angelina Spicy. Because Angelina Spicy, she also has her jalapenos on deck. I love in her beginning when she bites a jalapeno. It may have my mouth water. Y'all ready? Here we go. You know what? Let's take it up a notch. Let's dress him up. Now, here we go. There is nothing like some fresh jalapenos, y'all. It's just a different flavor. I like your butt on fire, though. Especially them seeds. Ooh, yeah, that's hot. Yeah, hot one. In my Vietnamese cuisines, I love fresh jalapenos, like especially in the pho. I like to add the fresh jalapenos. I ask for extra of them. The trick, y'all, with eating like any peppers, with eating the jalapenos, the habaneros and stuff, don't let it touch your lips. Because when it touches your lips, that's when it's game over. When as long as you just conserve it to your mouth, it's tolerable and it's actually enjoyable. I know y'all like, no, it's not. It's enjoyable to us spicy is. See, look, see the technique. See? Don't touch your lips. I mean, it's still gonna light everything else on fire, you know, but not your lips. It seems like when your lips be on fire, that's what it be pain. I think I beat that fork. Hold on. Yeah, I bit him. You got a nub. So, I'm gonna find him. Oh. There you go. I bit down too hard, y'all. So let me go ahead and get into this oxtail for real. Stop playing around. Gotta use your hands. It got a little crisp on top because I put just enough water in it so it'll be tender, so it'll boil a little bit. But I like my top to have a little crisp on it. You know what I mean? A little caramelization. And at the end, when it's already done, I put a little Worcestershire sauce on it. It gives that extra something too. I'm giving y'all too many secrets. Too many secrets. I should have put some more oxtails on my plate. No, I shouldn't have. Because I know it's too late. Look at that. Oh, that's how that came out. You know he tender. These oxtails so good, I'm ignoring my macaroni and cheese. Don't worry. It's going to get ate. And they got a burp coming. Hold on. Ooh, excuse me. Kiss your burp. So, lips, I hope I've done you justice. With my Soulfood Mukbang. And my jalapeno action Bible. I'm going to take a couple more bites and I'm going to get into my notification tribe shout outs. No, I didn't write them down again. Sorry. I done mixed everything together now. It's cool. It's one of these meals you can do that with. Well, actually, I feel you can do that with any meal. Okay. Sound like Sola's about to start up. I hope she don't start. I hope she wait until I'm finished here before she start up. Ooh, we made it right on time, y'all. Been trying to go dead on me. All right. I think I did that. I think I did the mother and daughter snow crab. Did I do that? I don't know. We'll do that too. All right. From the mother and daughter seafood bowl mukbang. Okay, burp. Oh, excuse me. I've been forgetting which one I did. My notification tribe shout out goes to Patricia Anderson. Hold on. You know, we got to scroll. We got to scroll. Oh, come on, battery. This battery want to go to bed. Alikari, she has a channel. Y'all go ahead and check her out. I love her massage videos. And Angie Rodriguez, thank you so much for being a part of the notification tribe. All right, my next video is going to be my unboxing video while I was ugly crying. First shout out goes to, hold on, Tamika Harris. You made it, though. One of my old faithfuls. Let's see here. Joni Meeks. And Edwina Grier. Thank you so much for being part of the notification tribe. And that was the unboxing video. And then my last video, and I'm not sure if I did those shout outs already, but if I did, I do it again. I'm doing it again, whatever. I appreciate you. And my last shout out comes from the 2-time spicy fried chicken wings, my no edit challenge mukbang. And those shout outs go to Ethel Mathis. We gotta scroll. Hold on. Gotta scroll. Dana Bradshaw. Hey! And Kat 2. Thank you so much for being a part of the notification tribe. You are truly appreciated. Like always, if you would like a shout out, a notification tribe shout out, all you have to do is be within the first 3 to comment on my video when it is uploaded, and I will give you a shout out on the next video that I record. If, which I do often, I forget to give you a shout out on that next video, then I will double up or triple up on the following video. Y'all, also from the unboxing video, I would like to give some special shout outs. First, to my mom for the beautiful baskets, y'all. I mean, I walk into my bathroom now and I just love it. I'm loving it. My bathroom is not the fruit top of the best, but I like my bathroom. And the baskets just, I don't know, they're just beautiful. Like, I love walking in and seeing the basket in the organizations. Second, to Miss Jazzy for my crack supply. Thank you so much, honey, because you know I'm already using it. I used it on the last mukbang. My third one to my beautiful Kay for my nice wine glass and this tripod that this camera is sitting on right now. So we're not Negro wig anymore. And last but not least, my shout out goes to Tam B. I didn't want to call you because I know it was Tamara on there. But Tam B, thank you so much for the beautiful earrings. I truly appreciate that. And I think I named everyone. Kay from Cali, my beautiful Kay, Tam B, Mom, and Jazzy. Thank you so much for the gifts on my unboxing. I truly appreciate it. As you can see from the video, I really do. All right, y'all. Did I do everything I was supposed to do? Yeah, okay, I did. Oh, this food good. But I know I have no business eating this food this late at night. Are y'all? Lips did not ask me to dedicate this video to him. This is all of my own doing. I love what he represents over there. I love what he's doing over there. He's hustle. He's grinding. He is doing his thug thizzle, y'all. I admire people's grind. I really do. I admire his grind. I do. Still out tending to his family, and he's still grinding, y'all. He is. And his food, and I like that he does a lot of home cooking, and he displays it on the channel. Because, you know, a lot, you know, we do is trending, and what we're trending always is not the healthiest, but he stays true, and he cooks his meals, and I really like that. And he be having me salivating, y'all. Oh, excuse me, he really be having me salivate. Like, I'm not lying, no lie. So shout out to you, Lips. Comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. Comment, like, and share. Comment. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Comment, share. Comment, like, and share. And go take for the team. Comment, like, and share. And go take for the team. Y'all, I love Lips. Ooh. Did you catch that? Hold on. I edited that out either. Lord have mercy. And it wasn't a jalapeno. It wasn't a jalapeno. It was Mr. Pink Moscato. Why you gotta do me like that, book? Huh? My goodness. Let me take a sip of H2O. Clear my throat. You girl over here choking on camera. Lord have mercy. Had a prosperous day just to end it with choking. Baby girl had a good day too. And at the end of the day, they did face painting on our way out. They had a face painter. Her name was Mrs. Sprinkle. And she face painted everyone that had an appointment. And that just brightened her day. And the lady became a black cat. I went ahead and vlogged, like did a belated vlog, a bootleg vlog. That's what I do best. And I'm going to post it on the vlog channel. I will let you know when that vlog is available. Oh, kiss your burp. Come on. Come on to the light. Ooh, excuse me. And Nana even makes a surprise appearance in the vlog. If you're not subscribed to that vlog channel, go ahead and subscribe to that vlog channel. I'm trying to put videos up weekly. Like, I'm working on this work in progress, y'all. Y'all know I'm busy over here. I'm busy. Uh-oh. Now touch my lip. It's over. Woo. It's over. Alright, y'all. I think I'm done. I'm kind of just picking right now. Woo! That was good. I hope you did. I hope I did. I hope I can't even talk. Y'all always late. I hope I did you justice, Lips, with my Soulfood Mukbang. Oh, excuse me, kiss your burp. All right, child, we have come to the end of our program, and y'all, we smashed that. We did pretty good. Look at that. Thank you for joining me on my Soulfood Mukbang dedicated to the one and only Mr. Lips. Like always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe, become part of the tribe, the D3 tribe. Turn on your post notification to be notified of any and every video that we release. Comment below and let us know that you're there. Share because sharing is caring. Give this video a big old like or a dislike if it was your cup of tea. And stay tuned for more. Until next time, peace, love, and lots of hair grease. Deuces.